Many content creators say that you can start UGC and earn good money as quick as in 4 weeks. I don't think so. Especially if you're just starting out, especially if you are starting everything from scratch. You need so much work to put in. If you are here, it means that you are somehow interested in UGC. So whether you are just starting out or you are researching about it, I think you are in the right place because I decided to start UGC journey myself and not only start this journey but also document everything and share all things UGC on this channel. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to my first episode about UGC, where I will be sharing my 6-step plan on how to become a UGC creator. But before we start, I will quickly introduce myself. I am Angelė. For a long time, I've been calling myself a blogger, and the more content I was creating for my blog, the more I realized how much I love making photography and videos. And when I heard about UGC, and learned a little bit more about it, I realized that I do quite a lot already. I already work with local brands. I create content for them, if not for them, about them. And I thought that UGC is additional amazing opportunity to expand my network and work with more brands. I've come across so many versions of how to become a UGC creator. Many of them sound similar, but some of them are quite different. So some of them, they say you have to start from creating UGC portfolio. Others say you don't have to have UGC portfolio. If you already creating content, that's enough. Some of them say you can start earning within first 4 weeks. Some say it can take a few months. So that's why I decided to kind of start my own journey and document everything and find the blueprint that would have a clear guidance and that I would be able to share with the future content creators. I researched and shortlisted these 6 steps which I am going to follow to become a UGC creator because they to me sound the most logical steps to follow, and I just think they would suit me best. So today I want to share those steps with you, and okay, let's dive in.
Okay, let's begin.
So the first step for me is crucial, is learn and understand what the UGC is. Understand what it means to be a UGC creator. What is the difference between influencer, regular content creator and UGC creator? Why brands hire UGC creators? How do collabs work? And all these kind of basics, what are benefits of working as a UGC creator, and so on and so on. This step 2 for me, it would be to set up as a UGC creator. So once I know basics of what UGC is and understand the whole concept, and I am happy to follow the path to become a UGC creator, then I need to think about what would be my potential audience, what type of content I would like to create. I would like to think about my niche, my business name, and once I know that, then I am happy to set up my business email address. After that, once I have my business name finalized and I have email addresses, I will be ready for step 3, which is to establish an online presence. So then I will need to think which platforms I would like to share my content with. Of course, it is well known that you don't have to have a big following on social media to be a UGC creator. You don't even have to have accounts. However, I think it could be very helpful to help you to grow your business faster. The fourth step is start building UGC portfolio. So here I will want to learn platforms where I can build my UGC portfolio, what platforms are the best, how I can share that portfolio, what are the best practices, and of course what to include in UGC portfolio, what kind of videos. So of course you have to include photography, videos, and what else, just basically to learn also what type of videos to include, because I am aware that UGC videos could be slightly different from normal content creation, regular content creation videos. Once I have my portfolio sorted, well, not maybe sorted, but started, because I am sure I will want to update my portfolio all the time, because I will be improving my skills, quality of content. So of course I would like to showcase all the best examples. So yeah, each time I would be updating portfolio. However, once I have basic kind of portfolio, then I will be ready for step 5, which is marketing myself and finding clients. So this is when I plan to join creator platforms, apps, starting setting grades, pitching clients, and all these things, kind of going external and shouting out about myself and what I do and try to sell my services. And that's it really. You can call it 5-step blueprint, because after step 5, the plan is already to go and pitch customers, find clients, and that would be it. However, I think step 6, it's very important as well, which is scale and grow as a UGC creator. And I think it is important to focus and build engaging audience and engage with community, expand your network, and improve your skills, and just try not to stand still and just find a new, different income streams. So yeah, I think it is very, very important to scale and grow as a UGC creator. So these are the 6 steps that I shortlisted to follow my UGC journey. Let me know what you think about them. Would you add anything? Would you take out anything? Maybe you are on your UGC journey already and you have some tips and advice. Maybe you are just starting out and you have a different blueprint which works for you. So share your experiences, stories. I really would love to hear from you. If you would like to read a little bit more about these steps, I created a blog post on my new UGC website, which is called Mindful UGC. There I go through each step into a little bit more detail, so I will leave the link in the description below. And if you would like to understand a little bit more what the UGC is, what is it all about, I cover a lot of basics over here in this video, so please make sure to go and check it out. And if you found this video helpful, or if you learned at least 2 things new, please like it, comment, subscribe, or even reach out. I really would love to hear from you, and this channel actually needs loads of love to grow. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.